Climate impact has resulted in an urgency for us to act faster to decarbonize. Different countries have strived to meet the 1.5 degrees safe target. Around the world, many governments, including the Hong Kong government, have set carbon neutral goals. But governments and the business sector have their own limits. The measures are not enough to cut carbon emission as rapid as we really need to. In year 2021, our research team kickstarted this project, which is about big data analytics in smart low-carbon communities and a deep engagement approach in Hong Kong. In the next 3 years, we are going to build 4 smart low-carbon energy communities with 600 households in Hong Kong. Our research team is led by our department here in Geography and the Asian Energy Study Center at Hong Kong Baptist University. We are a highly interdisciplinary team. Within Hong Kong BU, we are collaborating with colleagues from Department of Computer Science, Department of Physics, and Academy of Visual Arts. We are collaborating with about 20 experts from 7 universities in Asia. We will combine expertise in climate and energy policies, big data analytics, blockchain, GIS, scenario and solar assessment, participatory art, and deliberative polling. We will examine energy behavioral changes in 600 households in 4 communities in Hong Kong. We will test how their behavioral change can be categorized by the combined use of app-based big data analytics and deep engagement strategies. Our research will be supported by 13 datasets. We will have 13 key deliverables, including a model of smart low-carbon community, a mobile app, a pilot blockchain incentive scheme, deep engagement activities, a benchmark index, and policy recommendations. We will also establish an Asian network. Our 4 communities are very different in their local context, and they have their own ways of energy saving and solar adoption in their communities. Fairview Park in Yuen Long is one of these 4 communities. Although households can play a huge role in our sustainable energy future, how to scale up and create long-lasting collective impacts is not clear. Our project will close this gap by introducing a set of cross-cutting interventions. First, the app will integrate a pilot blockchain carbon corn incentive scheme. Second, the app will carefully integrate with a series of deep engagement activities. Third, our interventions will give much attention to the scaling up strategies through benchmarking index and partnership. We will develop a model of smart low-carbon community. This model will help us to understand the key strategies, the principles, key processes that make things work. With this model, we will be able to predict household energy behavior and identify who will do what and at what time. We can develop more effective interventional strategies and energy advice. This project will have impacts beyond academia to the business sector and the policymakers and the civil society. Together, we hope to work with the communities to build a smarter, low-carbon Hong Kong, which is more resilient and sustainable.